Hello, I am Amit Vishal and today's topic is algebraic expression. Before going to start about algebraic expression, firstly we need to understand what is the meaning of the algebra. So, algebra is derived from an Arabic word which means reunion of the broken parts. It consists of two things. First is variable. So, let's understand what is the variable. Variable, as name implies, vary it means change, or we can say that it contains the value but their values are not fixed. And one more thing, where we use the variable, okay, if the abstract value or hidden value, or we can say that the value which we don't know, so we will use the variable. Okay, so variable is represented by any of the alphabet like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, so on. For example, I have X rupees. How much rupees I have, you don't know. So X can be 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, and so on. So these are the values of this variable. Okay, it contains these values. It contains these value. So we can say that X can be 1, 2 or 5. Okay, as per this, now the second thing is constant. In variable, values are not fixed, but in constant we can say that the value is fixed. Okay, we can express the constant by any of the numeric, or we can say that any of the number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any of the number we can say that. Okay, now let's discuss about algebraic expression. We have discussed about variable and constant. So we will use this variable and constant in this algebraic expression. So I am taking one variable like y and one constant which is 3. I connect this variable and constant by any of the mathematical operation. Okay, so we have four basic mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this variable and constant will be connected by any of these mathematical operations. So I am taking here addition operation. So we have the expression is y plus 3. So we can say that combination of variable and constant form an algebraic expression. Okay, now let's discuss about types of algebraic expression. So there are different types of algebraic expression. First is monomial. So what is the monomial? Monomial which has only one term in an algebraic expression. Okay, so we can say that 2x is a monomial because it has only one term. Okay, similarly we can write like this 3z or 4y. It is considered as monomial because it has only one term. Now let's see the next, that is binomial. Okay, what is the binomial? Binomial consists of two terms. Okay, two terms, it means one variable and one constant which is connected by a mathematical operation. Okay, which is separated. Okay, this mathematical operation is separating both these numbers. Okay, this is and this one. Okay, so we can say that it has two terms. So we can say that a binomial is an algebraic expression which has only two terms. Now see the next one, which is trinomial. Tri, it means three. or we can say that an algebraic expression which has 3 terms. Okay, so we can write 3x square plus 5x plus 1. So clearly we can see that two mathematical operation, addition, okay, addition is separated this term, okay, this is first term, this is second, and this is third term. Okay, so total we have 3 terms, or we can say that an expression which has only 3 terms, we can say that it is an trinomial. Now polynomial, poly it means many, poly it means many, so we can say that many of the terms are called polynomial. So these 3 terms are called as polynomial. Okay, so in the polynomial we can say that these 3 things, monomial, binomial and trinomial, are included. I hope now you have understood this topic clearly. Thank you so much.